Understanding Django load data or right way to dump data for fixutes. I have serialized 4 apps from my project with manage.py dump data. But when I'm trying to load it and test as a fixture, I'm getting validation error, this value must be true or false. How to understand which line of dump is wrong? Or in which model I got this error? UPD. Problem is coming from invalid fixture. But I can't understand why Django dump data creates invalid fixtures. I have added in django.core.serializers.python and found invalid values manually. But it's not good way. UPD. I'm still interested in a way to dump data for any model and reuse it in tests as a fixture. I'm using PostgreSQL for development.
First of all, are you using any custom /3rd party fields? Although if you did and Django's dump data couldn't serialize it, it would raise an exception, I suppose. Anyway, since last time I checked there was not any sufficient documentation for writing a custom Django serializer, here is an example for serializing a custom UID field. Then in your setting.py add. Then from your shell you can load it with Strangely enough, load data does not accept a format parameter like dump data. It decides the format based on the file extension. Yet I could not find a way to hook my custom encoder, so I had to write a new serializer frown. That's what I did months ago when I needed to write a custom serializer, and I had to dig through the Django source code to figure it out, since the official docs had nothing on the subject. I hope it provides some help.